world, is the President still willing to declare a state of emergency to address ASF?
Pinag-aaralan po mabuti yan ng Office of the President. No? At sinisigurado po natin magkaroon ng complete staff work bago po ipresenta kay Presidente.
Second question po niya, Pfizer Incorporated reportedly asked the governments of Argentina and Brazil to put up military bases and federal bank reserves as part of the deal to acquire the vaccines made by the American drug manufacturer. The move was described as high-level bullying. Did Pfizer Incorporated demand the same deal to the Philippine government?
Wala po ko akong alam dyan dahil hindi naman po ako nakikipag-usap sa Pfizer. Pero kung magkaroon ng demand, kilala naman po natin ang Presidente. Alam natin ang magiging desisyon niya. Sinisiguro po natin na kung hindi tayo makakakuha ng Pfizer, makakakuha tayo ng ibang mga bakuna.
Ang third question po niya, the U.S. government has imposed restrictions on exports of supplies that vaccines makers in India need to expand production. Will this affect the country's vaccine supply? May mga pagbabago ba sa timeline ng vaccine deliveries?
Ang huli ko pong balita kay Secretary Galvez, bagamat nagpunta pa nga sila sa India, nananatili pong 4 million ang kukunin nating Novavax. At hindi nga po sila nakakuha ng additional doon sa kanilang trip kasi ang makukumit lang ng India ay yung 40 million na Novavax.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.